Hello everyone, I am Jitu from EME Technologies. Today I will show you a simple project on self increment or snack game. So let's start it. First we have to install Python. So you can download Python 3.7 or 3.7 or 3.6 as per your choice. After that install some dependencies. So open command and simply write pip install pygame library. Okay. So I have already installed it, so you can see here required already satisfied. After that let's try to write the code. So here is the code. First I installed Tinker to making the GUI. So here you can simply write your project name. So I am writing here self increment game. Okay. After that you can write here developer name. Okay, so I'm writing here developed by Jitu. Okay. After that we have to define buttons. So on buttons we are using start button, another button stop the game, and third one is to quit. Okay. After that we have to show the scoreboard. We have to namely game score, and another is best score or high score. Okay. After that this part to graduation 40 pixels we are using to Tinker libraries. So after background color let's we take black. Okay, and object color we are taking, let's try red, and snake color white. Okay. Okay. After that up button which will use to up and down to down the snake, and right to right side, and left to left side. Okay. After that we have to define directions. So up direction will be vertical and down also will be vertical. So just write here, and right will horizontal, and left will also horizontal. Okay. And this is a game snake canvas. Object keep track to the score, and this function is used to start the game, and this used to restarting the game if we push the button restarting, and this function input the moving snake accordingly as per our choice, and object that keep track of score and high score, this will return high score and score. And here is the logic sequence. This is template to make obstacle and make body parts. This function is used to making body parts of snake, and here is the snake food. Okay, so let's try the code and run it. Okay, you can see here game name, self increment name, and developed by Jitu, start, stop, quiet buttons. Here game score, high score, which we define there. And if we start the game, okay, you can see if I push the right, snake will go right, up then snake will go up, down then snake will go down, We can also control the snake speed as per our code. So you can simply make this game by your. Okay, thank you so much. Please do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.